Hello internet world, welcome to my review of the NextBase iQ DashCam. This was very kindly sent in to me free of charge by the manufacturer. No money's changed hands, they haven't asked me to say anything in particular. I'm simply sharing with you my opinion so that you can make an informed buying decision. So first of all, I want to let you know that this is available in I think 3 different versions. We get an HD version, we've also got the 2K version I've got here, and also a 4K version. There is also an optional rear view camera. This is a dual cam, but there is an optional separate rear view camera as well. It comes in this really nice box, and on the back here we've got some details about some of the main features, including a smart sense parking feature for 24/7 protection to your vehicle. We've also got a guardian mode, emergency SOS, a witness mode as well, road watch AI, voice control, and then you've also got the fact that this NextBase has got a 32GB U3 micro SD card and a 4G SIM card pre-installed. There are these versions I mentioned earlier, the iQ 1K, which is 1080p on the front camera, 1080p on the cabin view camera, and then you've got the optional rear view camera sold separately, which is 1440p. We've also got the iQ 2K, which is this model I've got here, which is 1440p on the front and cabin camera, and then the same optional rear view camera. And then the top of the range is the iQ 4K, which adds 4K resolution to the front facing camera. Obviously it works with an app, and the app is available in the iOS App Store and I believe the Google Play Store as well. This is the box contents. Let's run through these very quickly. We have got the stickers here, so you can actually put these in your car windows. We've also got a support card, which is going to give you assistance if you need support with your unit. We've got some installation bits and pieces here. So we've got some window wipes, a dry and a wet wipe, and a little cloth as well. You're going to use this to clean your window before installation. We've got a sticky pad as well for the mount. We've also got what I call a little spudger tool. This is to help you with sort of maybe poking the wires behind headlinings and making just a neat installation. It can also be used if you need to remove that sticky pad mount from your windscreen. We've also got some cable tidies, again, to make for a nice neat installation. And then we've got a whole host of wires that are used for the install. Some flat blades, various wires that are used for the installation. This looks like another little cable tidy. It's got a little sticky pad on it. And then the main connection is a little bit different to normal dash cams, is this connects to your OBD socket. So this connects to the socket on your car and takes power from it all the way through to this cable, which connects to the dash cam. So do check that your vehicle is suitable. You can see here is a power cable, 12 volt to 16 volt DC, and it outputs 12 volt to 16 volt 2 amps max. It says about the red and the black ground wires there, used with 12 volt DC only. So installation cable included. If you're not confident installing yourself, then obviously go to a professional installer and they will do a good installation job for you. This is the camera itself. Very nice looking camera. So this is like the cabin view camera, this one here. Really nice optics. If we look round on the side profile, it looks very different to normal dash cams. And then this here is your sticky pad, which is going to stick to your car windscreen. And this is the front view camera. And of course, you can change the angle of this, so you can get a really good sort of position for the camera. We've also got connections here for the power, the rear camera, and reset as well. These are little antennas to extend the range, and it just looks absolutely fantastic. Really very neat design. We'll just remove this here. Underneath here we have got the micro SD card, and as I mentioned before, with this one you get a 32GB micro SD card included. On the bottom here we have got a protection button, so that's if you're recording and you need to protect a file so it doesn't get overwritten, then you can press that button. Now, how does a dashcam work and why would you need one? Well, let's cover off why you might want a dashcam first of all. Well, this continually records out of your front windscreen and also inside the cabin of your vehicle, and it records on like a loop. So it continually records until the micro SD card is full up, and then it will start overwriting the oldest non-protected files first. So if you've got protected files on there, it won't overwrite them. And then it just continually records, and then you've got some videos of what's going on the inside and outside of your vehicle. So if you're unfortunately involved in or witness to a road traffic accident, then you have got some video footage that could potentially be used as evidence. Also worth noting, some, not all, but some insurance companies, if you have got a dash cam installed, you will get a discount off of your car insurance premium. So it's well worth checking with them. Now, the beauty of this particular dash cam is that you're going to get notifications direct to your phone, even if you're away from the vehicle. There are also additional features you can add on via a subscription service, which extend the feature set even more. But in its simplest form, it is a fantastic quality dash camera. 1440p footage out of the front optics just here. Really good colour rendition, excellent clarity, plenty of detail. You can read number plates at a good distance. Very, very good night vision as well. And then the cabin dash cam, in my opinion, a little bit less useful for me personally, but it does record what's going on inside your car, and that will certainly add to the feature set of this and add to the popularity of this particular dash cam, the IQ. The 2K resolution on this particular model I think is a really good sweet point. Obviously 4K is going to capture more detail, and the lower resolution might possibly be better in low light. I'm not too sure on that because I haven't tested it, but certainly this captures great quality video footage. And then of course you've got access to all of those videos if you need them for evidence. It is a great product, really well made, good speaker, good microphone built in. It's just a stunning dash cam. Really well designed, and it's got those intelligent IQ or AI features in here as well, which really do extend the feature set. NextBase have done a fantastic job on this. They're a really trusted brand when it comes to their dash cams, and this is certainly something that takes a step up in features. The fact that we've got this Guardian mode, the parking mode as well, really do help protect your vehicle. I can certainly recommend that if you want a top-end dash cam, this is certainly the future. It's one of the latest models, and I can highly recommend it. If you want to pick up one for yourself, please do check out the links down in the video description. I also leave a link down there to the manufacturer's website. Thank you very much for watching. Please do hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in another video very, very soon.